What's that?
A Kinder Egg.
Okay.
Kinder Egg Santa Claus, and then I'm gonna open it. And he's opening a Kinder Egg.
Can I see it? Yummy.
And it's time to open it. Mommy, this is a chocolate. It's like a Christmas edition. There's a chocolate. This is a chocolate.
Yummy. Time to eat it, Gabby.
Oh,
Need help?
I need help. So, okay, time to cut it open.
Ooh, there's a surprise.
It is a surprise. Let's check what's inside. It's a surprise toy. Whoa! I got a reindeer.
Can you build it?
I got a reindeer. Looks so cute. This feature or screen this one. We're supposed to and I got what is this for? Let's check the flyer. Let's check the flyer. Check how can we build this reindeer. Oh, it looks like an ornament.
So that's it?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. I guess there it is. It's the string.
There's a string for the ornament. So for Christmas, we could put our Christmas tree in. But we need to put this one in the string. Here we go.
I can help you with that. Oh, you have to tie it, Gabby. Put it back in. Then I'll tie it for you.
Okay. Okay. I think it's ready. Ready now. Ready. It's ready. Wow. That's so cute. Wait a second. You have to put the reindeer in the sled. Well, okay. I guess we need to put this like a. It's like a.
It goes right here.
It goes.
Oh, it goes right here, Gabby.
Oh, like that. Okay. Wow, that's so cute. I can't wait to put it in our Christmas tree. But it's almost Christmas Eve. Because I can't wait for Christmas. I have to put this one right here. Mommy, you have to put these ones in there.
Okay, go ahead.
Looks like, look, it says there.
Okay, let's put it.
Put it there, so we need to cut it. Chocolate, chocolate. Wait a second. It looks like this hat. I'm gonna eat the hat.
Okay. Is it good?
Yup, it was tastes like Santa Claus.
How do you know how Santa Claus tastes like?
Chocolate.
Yummy, yummy chocolate.
Looks good.
Yummy. You want me to do that? Oh, it goes in, right? Hold on. Hold on. Let me do it.
reindeer, Mom?
Goes right there.
I hope so. It's just right there, the fire. Let me check.
Oh,
Let me check. Oh, it's not in yet.
oh, okay. You just put them in there.
You need to put that thing in the blue present there.
Mm-hmm.
That's how it goes there.
Just gonna fold it in, actually.
Maybe you had to fold it. Maybe you had to
Just put it
put
like
it
that.
there.
Like that. That's what they want you to do. There you go.
Oh, there. That's better now. It looks like a reindeer now.